This is so exciting. You guys have no idea how long I've been waiting to tell you this. I'm happy to be announcing that I have 2 new books coming out this fall. The first one, Study With Me, includes everything you need to know about how to set and achieve your study goals. And you can do this using simple to master bullet journaling techniques. The focus is on the basics of bullet journaling and how to adapt them to your specific studying needs and goals. This includes methods for organizing your time and scheduling, ideas for specific spread and page layouts, and those are for specific topics, and then how to actually set those up. We also have some do's and don'ts, hacks, and tips for beginners. People are always asking me how I organize my time to get everything done, and I really do this through bullet journaling and time management. I run several successful Instagram accounts, have 2 YouTube channels, write books, do a ton of extracurriculars, and of course school. And to do all of this, I really have to use my time wisely, and I share all of my best advice and tips in Study With Me. Plus, did I mention that I wrote this book with Jasmine from studyquill? She has an amazing YouTube and Instagram account that you might know because she posts like these lovely bullet journal spreads, her notes, tons of awesome studying content, and I wrote this book with her. Now I'll let her tell you a little bit about herself.
Hey everyone, I'm Jasmine, also known as studyquill, and I post about bullet journaling and note-taking and studying and calligraphy and a lot of other aspects of student life on my Instagram and YouTube channel. Alyssa and I worked together to create Study With Me. We both wrote parts of the manuscript and took photos and made artwork for this book. If you'd like to see more of my videos and photos, my YouTube and Instagram are both at studyquill. Thanks everyone, and see you next time!
Thanks, Jasmine. With Study With Me, you'll learn the note-taking and organization skills you need for success. And because you guys loved my first slime book, Ultimate Slime, so much, I was able to write a second one, Ultimate Slime Extreme Edition. I was always getting a ton of questions about my cloud slime recipe and my inflating slime recipes, but when I wrote my first book, those recipes hadn't been created. Nobody was really using instant snow in their slime and different things like that, so I didn't have those recipes in my first book, but I wanted to share my recipes, so that's how Ultimate Slime Extreme Edition came to be. With Ultimate Slime Extreme Edition, you will really take your slime to the next level. There's new, awesome, borax-free slime recipes and projects. It begins with the essential ingredients and some basic recipes. Then it has new ways to make slime, slime safety, and troubleshooting tips. Then, with amazing new mix-ins, you'll add some color and character to your slime. Plus, you can create one-of-a-kind slimes using my DIY slime ingredients section of the book because I wanted to share some different ways you can make your own slime ingredients. I have been working really hard to perfect all of the new slime recipes that I have in this book. You'll find recipes like color changing slime, super cute kawaii slime, and gorgeous pom-pom slime. Plus, you'll learn how to make epic clay and fake snow slimes like cloud cream, bread slime, icy slime, and so many more. There's also a section with hybrid slimes that has some surprising, oddly satisfying textures in there. You can also discover new ways to play with your slime, like with squishies and slime sculptures. Other Slimers you may know are featured in this book as well, so keep an eye out for when I announce the contributors. Published by the Quarto Group, Study With Me will be released on October 8th, 2019, and Ultimate Slime Extreme Edition will be released on November 19th, 2019. If these books sound interesting to you and you want to support me, please pre-order them. Pre-orders are so important. Pre-orders actually affect how many books are printed. If there are more pre-orders, more books are printed and then more are stocked in stores. With my first book, Ultimate Slime, my book actually ran out of copies 2 weeks before Christmas, and I felt so bad that people couldn't get copies. So the moral of the story is please pre-order if you can. Guys, I am so excited about this, and you will be hearing more as we near the release dates. They're available now for pre-order at the links down below. If you have any questions at all, feel free to leave them down below in the comments. Keep creating, and I will see you all next time.